Hello, this is Stefania. I would like to talk about using classroom-based language assessment. Language assessment and language teaching, they are two approaches that, as a teacher, we can use on our classrooms. The one similarity between language teaching and language assessment is that the participants who are involved in this approach are teachers and students. And the differences between uh, these approaches are in task and purpose. In task, language teaching, the tasks are, are devoted to engage students in the use of the language. We can use the different tasks in classrooms. For example, group works, discussions, dialogues, readings or writings or listenings to engage the students in the culture and the place where the language is taught. The purpose of the language teaching is improve learning. This means that the teacher can use different techniques and strategies or methodology to improve the learning and the way that they can teach. The purpose of language assessment is collect information. This information can be used in the future of students to make decisions that are formative or summative decisions. Benefit for teaching, language assessment in teaching. Language assessment have some benefits such as effectiveness of teaching. The teacher can improve their classes and can evaluate the results of the tests and develop the students' abilities to improve their classes or improve their materials, or for example, to choose different books that the students develop their abilities in reading. Another is formative feedback. Formative feedback is not only um, to give the students the result of tests. A formative feedback means that the teachers can um, teach or can tell students their abilities, their strengths and their weaknesses, and the students can improve their self-learning and to improve their abilities by themselves. Another is improve thinking skills. Thinking skills and are very used in standardized tests for not only for mark right um, the right answer. And thinking skill uh, is used for students to complex tasks in reading, writing, and to understand the sense of the language, the message that the texts are give for the students. Uses of language assessment. It has many uses. For example, to interpret abilities. The student needs to use the language in different situations, in communication, to speak, to reading and write, and this is the use of a testing or assessment. To promote students. This means that teacher can promote students to the pass level or continue at the same, receiving some some tutorials or some more information about the topics. Another is to make decisions. These decisions can be formative or summative. That is, for an assessment, the decisions can be summative to improve or to work with the students for their futures, and also with their parents or the other teachers or the principals of the schools. Evidences during assessment. The things, the information that teachers can of time of the tests are measures of learning, direct and indirect. Direct is a quantitative measure that is in scores, and indirect is a qualitative measure that is the achievements that the students have got in the course. Documentation, that is a record that the teacher obtains after assessments, and this can be present to principals, authorities in schools, and the students' parents. Finally, these are the references that are used for this task. Thank you.